Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. I'm Zach here, so glad to see you guys again. Alright, so today's video is to follow up on my previous video. If you have not checked out my previous video, please go and visit this link here. I don't know where here. I think it's here, I think. So I wanted to share with you guys on my previous video that I tried to buy a tablet to replace the usage of a traditional laptop, but unfortunately that doesn't work out. So today I actually purchased, or in fact yesterday I purchased the Legion 7. This is the most top end Lenovo Legion 7's Legion series. Okay, so this CPU process consists of this AMD 5900X and of course the RTX 3080 RTX 3080. Alright, so this is the top model. Okay, I know some of you guys will think that why do I want to go with this top end model. I mean, you can get diminished returns if you go above 3070, but you guys know me, I try to get the best within my capability. So so that's why this laptop is still within what I can afford. So I thought like might as well go for it. Okay, and what's more, okay, this comes with a 32 GB RAM. Okay, so Chrome is not going to kill me now, hopefully. And then I have 1 TB SSD. Okay, so so good thing about this is I can use it for my work and play. Okay, I think mostly it will be for work. I mean, play is very minimal. As you guys know that I have my 2080 Ti with me, and the 9900K on my water cool system. So this will be for my it will be my go-to machine in terms of portability. Let's say if I go out waiting for someone, I can just game as and when I like. Okay, so I just collected this today, guys. So excited to share with you guys. So I actually immediately got the do this video just to share with you guys. Alright, so this is I got this from Best Denki in Singapore. I managed to snap one up yesterday. Unfortunately, they have their 7/7 sales going on, so I managed to get it at at the quite a I would say still okay price. Of course, you can't compare to Lenovo side. I would say their promo really varies quite a bit. Alright, so and I need this laptop urgently, so that's why I go ahead with it. Okay. So without further ado, guys, let me jump straight to the unboxing section for you guys. Alright. Okay guys, so this is the box itself. Okay, so this is the front. Okay, I mean, this is the side. Okay, you guys can pause the video and have a look. Okay, basically nothing much. Okay, I'll go straight to the back. Okay, so I'm just adjusting my camera just to show you guys. Okay, so just now the salesman actually tried to open it, so I mean that's why it's open now, but by right it should be it should be sealed. Okay, so let me just bring up the camera higher. Okay, so here is the internal portion itself, so I'm going to open it up. Okay, so at the start, as you guys can see, alright, so this is the battery. Okay, not sure if you guys can see. I'm going to take out the battery now. Okay, so this is the battery. Okay, let me just bring it aside. Okay, so here it is. I'll put it aside first. Okay, so I'll bring back the box. Okay, so inside it will be the laptop itself. Okay, my god guys, I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm going to remove this. Okay, and guys, so here is the laptop itself. Okay, so let me just check if there's anything else. Nothing else really, guys, just the styrofoam. Okay, so here is the laptop itself, guys. Okay, I think I should put it here. Okay, just to show you guys. So here it is. Okay, so here's the laptop itself. Alright, so excited to open it. So maybe let me go into the charging brick first, the accessories box, before I go into the laptop. So let me put it aside first. Okay, so here's the laptop charger itself. I heard that the brick is damn big. Okay guys, so let me see. Alright, so here you have, okay, It contains a UK plug, right? Because we're in Singapore. Okay, and this is the brick itself. It's damn big, guys. Damn big. You see, look at the battery. Look at look at the brick. I am not sure I'm going to use this because, as I said, it's going to be portability. So with this brick, okay, I don't think I think it's going to weigh quite a bit of weight on my back. But I'll have to see. I'll try for a while, probably a month or so, and determine whether should I buy additional brick. Okay, so this is a 300 watts battery, guys. 300 watts. All right. Okay, so they give you in your anyway, just for information, they also give you for your Legion 5 Pro as well. So for those of you guys who actually went for Legion 5 Pro, which is also an amazing laptop, okay, you will be getting this same brick as well. Okay. Alright, so let me just put it in. Okay, let me just put this into the side. Okay, so guys, I'm going to go into the box itself. Okay, so let me just get my knife. Okay. Actually, I was quite concerned that they are going to give me a display set, so I just double check with that salesperson that it's not a display set. Okay, so right, I'm going to cut it over here. Okay, as usual, it's always that very exciting moment, you know, when I'm cutting this. Okay, so plastic is out of the way, guys. Anyway, the plastic contains the Lenovo what's wrong with me today? Lenovo logo, right? Okay, so let me just let this plastic maintain here. Okay, so it can protect the case or the box itself. Okay, so box out of the way. Okay, for the start, okay, let me just share with you guys. I think you guys should be seeing here. Okay, so you guys can have a look. I think, or maybe you should be here. Okay, right. So here, a very good thing where after you open up your box, right? Okay, they show you what to press for what individual function. Okay, so basically they show you, or if your port is you can connect your power brick to here. Okay, so there's also another function, you know, to turn on your you know, different level of the performance of the laptop. Okay, so FM plus R, you know, it toggles between 60 Hz and 165 Hz. You know, this one is probably sleep mode. Okay, so the rest that you can actually pause the video, okay, and you have a look. For me myself, I need some time to go and read through what is the individual portion. Okay, so let me get this cut out of the way. Right, so it comes with a this is a laptop, so it comes with a very slick very nice cloth underneath it, or to cover it. So let me put the laptop aside first. Okay, so what you get here at the bottom, okay, is really some documentation and stickers, guys. Stickers. Okay, so they give you different kind of stickers, right? Okay, Lenovo stickers, Legion sticker, I would say, documentation. Okay, and of course, you know, I'm not sure what is this, maybe some warranty cards. Just a greeting cards, guys. Greeting cards. Right, so that's it. And I think that's it for all their documentations. Right, quite nicely done. I like their packaging, to be honest. Okay, quite slick. Alright, so to the main show of the day, guys. Okay, main show. Okay, this is the laptop itself. Okay, so here it goes, guys. Okay, so let me get the cloth out of the way. So this is the Legion 7. Okay, guys, let me just share with you the guys. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so on the first view, it's very sturdy. Okay, definitely this is something that I feel is really justifiable for the price. Okay, I saw that, you know, online their specs is a full aluminium chassis, which is true. Okay, it's very sturdy, and I don't think it's very heavy. okay, I think for myself I'm okay to carry like this, okay, around my office, I feel, right? So I don't think it will be a problem for work and play and portability, right? But with the brick, it might be a different story because you need to bring, this is already 2.5 kg, and then if I'm not wrong, that someone in YouTube actually measured the power brick, which is like another 500 grams or something like that. So let me just show you guys again. Okay, so I think the brick is really really very big. So let me show you guys the size. Okay, so you can see. Okay, it's already almost 1/4 of that screen. Okay, so something to take note. Okay, so let me just open up the laptop. Okay, maybe before that, okay, probably I can show you guys what is like all around the laptop itself. Okay, so on the side, on the front, okay, so you can have the Legion logo. Okay, you have the Legion, the Lenovo logo and the Legion logo here. So what I know is the Legion logo here, the Y here, okay, it does light up. Okay, so the Y here. Okay, so after that, here is the charging brick. Here is the charging station. Okay, here is the USB. Okay, maybe I can show you. USB Type A, HDMI 2.1. Okay, another USB and USB. Okay, and another USB. Okay, so sorry, this one is the LAN cable. Alright, so that is the back of the I/O. Okay, let me just confirm if I never missed out anything. Yep, so that's it. So this is the USB-C here. Okay, so on the side, okay, on the left hand side, okay, you can see there's a USB-C and the mic, those are headphone jack. Okay, USB and headphone jack. Okay, on your right hand side, okay, what you can see is okay, so this is a very interesting feature, guys. So this is to disable your webcam, guys. So it's just a switch, you just toggle on and off. Okay, so if you are not in a meeting or what, you just turn it off. So you'll cut off the webcam's the function. Okay, all right, and this is the USB-C. If I'm not wrong, the only difference between on the outer layer is the USB-C. Here is USB-C, and then for Legion 5 Pro is I think it's a USB-A. Okay, so and also this one will be able to light up later on. Okay, so sorry, all my saliva you see. Okay, so let me just open up the next step. I'm going to open up the laptop for you guys. Okay, so after I open up the laptop, okay, so maybe I can show you guys here. Okay, so here is the laptop itself, guys. Okay, I haven't set up the laptop. Okay, so a leaflet, okay, to ask you to register for warranty or something. Okay, so of course it covers with this, right? So ultimately, I actually did a test on the on the keyboard before I purchased. I went to a few shops, okay, to test it. So I actually quite like the way that the keypad is being done. So not sure that if you guys can hear it. Let me just put it down nearer. Okay, as you can see, it's quite nice. Okay, so of course there will be some Legion logos, RTX logo, AMD logo, and all this. Okay, so basically, I think this is quite sturdy in terms of the build. So this is a touchpad. Okay, overall this is very very nice to touch and feel, guys. Alright, so the screen is Quad HD. Okay, so it should be quite sharp. Alright, so let me just try to turn it on, see if there's any battery. I don't think there is. Anyway, I'll do a more in-depth review, okay, to show you guys some features and what are the things that I like and don't like. Okay, but I think for now this laptop doesn't have any power to it. Alright, so unfortunately I can't on it now, guys. Okay, so overall, in my first impression, the whole Lenovo is this Legion 7 is quite well built. Okay, so let me just turn my camera back to me. Okay, so this laptop, guys, okay, this is the bottom, by the way. Okay, it's quite clean built. Okay, so on my first impression, I think this laptop, is really very well built. Okay, I think it's very sturdy. All right, and I can't wait to actually try, for a week or for a month or so. Then I'll give you guys a more in-depth review. All right, and anyway, guys, RGB, who doesn't want more RGB, right? Okay, so yeah, so this is my first unboxing and overview of the Legion 7, okay, in Singapore. This is the 5900X and the RTX 3080 variant. Okay, so this is more of the top end model. Alright, so do keep a lookout, guys. Subscribe to my channel if you have not. Okay, I'll be uploading more videos on this laptop in the next coming few weeks. Okay, probably more of like the features on my next video, and then in the in-depth review, does this really is the best laptop for work and play for the year 2021 so far. Okay, alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I'll see you guys around. Please stay safe, guys, as well. Alright, bye.